Today, I'm going to show you how to become certified for QuickBooks from the Philippines in 2026. First, open your browser and search for Intuit QuickBooks certification. In the search results, open the official Intuit or QuickBooks website. Avoid ads or random third-party training pages unless you specifically want a paid course. Once you're on the official page, click Sign up for free. QuickBooks will then ask you to either sign in or create a new account. If you already have an Intuit or QuickBooks account, sign in with your email or user ID and password. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your basic information. After signing in, follow the instructions shown on the screen. QuickBooks will guide you through the setup process and take you to the training or certification area. From there, you can access the official QuickBooks learning materials, review the lessons, and complete the certification assessment when you're ready. Make sure your name and email are correct, because your training progress and certification details may be connected to that account. So the process is, search for Intuit QuickBooks certification, open the official QuickBooks page, click Sign up for free, sign in or create an account, then follow the on-screen instructions to access the training and complete your certification. And that's how to become certified for QuickBooks from the Philippines in 2026.